have taken time out to come and encourage him. So tell us about that.
No, I'm fortunate to be here. I'm not doing him any, I'm not obliging him or anything. I wanted to come here because we rarely get a chance to, sharpen our own skills. I mean, we've studied drama, after that we started making films, and after that we forgot to sharpen our own skills. So this is a way to sharpen our own skills. Come on, look at art. What is happening in music, in art, in literature. It's good to go back there and revisit those things. So probably it is helping me.
Do you consciously read books, visit such exhibitions? Do you take inspirations from such things consciously so that you come up with the next idea for your movie?
Honestly, I don't really get to see theatre much, and also artwork. But books, yes, because I am a reader. I do read books, but not fiction. Thank you.
Prachi, this is a unique artist exhibition where we're seeing science and art come together. Please tell me, how did you find it?
General knowledge questions, ask him. Actually, I'm really happy to be here. गौरव के जो paintings है, art and science together, मुझे लगता है ये बहुत ही beautiful concept है. There are times जब आप painting समझ नहीं पाते हो, but here, even if you don't know what the theme is and what it's based on or what the ideation is, it's still so beautiful and very very simple to understand कि ये कौन से thought process से बनाए गए हैं. I would want to. I have lots more things to say in praise of his work, but I guess we should let Gaurav say a little bit about his, concept.
What's your inspiration behind making this painting?
Yeah, see, there are 2 series and 1 series in that room you can see. So that series is basically it deals about art and science. The moment you see something scientific, you don't doubt it. Like the moment you see an art, you say, oh, it's abstract. You don't really connect with it. But the moment you see something written scientific, you just believe in it. No one knows hydrogen and oxygen is there in water, but everyone believes in it. It's almost like religion, blind faith. So that was the whole idea behind that. And if you see, each painting covers a particular kind of like digestion is all about the moment you take vegetarian food, all that happens in your body.